Hello dear creative friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today and checking my video. Sometime back I have filmed the review video of my Canon PIXMA IP8750 printer, and in the comment section many of you asked how to calibrate your printer, how to maintain it, and basically how to achieve the best quality possible. This video will be relevant for everybody who has the same model as me, which is IP8750, or basically anyone who has the Canon printer may find this video useful. In this video, I'll be talking about some tips and tricks on how to clean your printer, how to maintain it, in order to make sure that your printouts are crisp, vibrant, and great looking. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to be discussing today is the printer driver. To be quite frank, this is something I have ignored at first, so I did not install any drivers since I read on the Canon website that you don't have to do it on Mac computer. You just use the AirPrint functionality, but basically without the driver, your computer will not be able to communicate properly with your printer, meaning that you will lose on some functionality. And definitely you will not be able to access the utility section of your printer. So just like mine, your printer will come in a box and you will have the CD from which you could install your driver on your Windows computer. But if you're a Mac user, you will have to go to the Canon website and download it yourself. Let's navigate to canon.com, to the software and driver section, and in the search bar, search for your printer. So we're going to start typing our product name. As you can see, my specific model is not listed here. However, it's okay if we choose any printer from the same series. So mine is IP8700 series. So I'll choose this IP8720. And we're going to choose our operation system as well as the specific version under the download section. And then we'll proceed to downloading and installing the driver. After installing the driver, we will have to make sure that the printer is using this exact driver. So if you already have the connection established between your Mac computer and your printer, we would have to add the printer once again. So let's open our system settings and go to printers and scanners. First of all, make sure that your printer is on. Choose your printer from the list, and in the use section, select the driver from the drop-down list. So in my case, it's this one. So now, once you open the options and supplies section, there will be a third new option available, which I'm pretty sure was not available before, and it's called Utility. This section will allow you to perform the necessary cleaning and maintenance procedures, so this is exactly what we're going to do next. Therefore, let's open the printer utility and quickly go through the available options here. The cleaning section will help you clean the clogged print head nozzle, which might lead to basically unwanted smudges or some lines on your artworks. This is the problem which I have faced in the past. My artwork had like kind of black lines on its sides, some kind of smudges, so this definitely helped. So what you have to keep in mind is that cleaning the print head nozzle consumes ink. So don't be surprised if you do the cleaning and then your ink cartridge levels are going down. A good thing is that you can perform a test print in order to determine if your printer needs cleaning. So let's go ahead and do that. Therefore, load one sheet of A4 paper, so just plain paper, into the paper tray and choose the nozzle check option. If you want, you can start the test print directly from your printer by holding down this resume cancel button until the power lamp flashes white twice, and then immediately release it. Let's examine our test print. You need to check if the lines are missing in the pattern A, or if there are any white streaks in the pattern B. As you can see, My test print looks pretty good, so it doesn't require cleaning, but if yours looks something like this, I would definitely consider performing the cleaning procedure. So as mentioned, if you want to perform the cleaning procedure, you can do that directly through your printer by holding down the Resume Cancel button until the power lamp flashes white once, and then release it. You can also start the cleaning from the printer utility on your computer. The whole process will take around 2 minutes. You don't have to load any paper into the paper tray. Every once in a while, I also like to perform the bottom plate cleaning. So in order to do that, take a sheet of A4 paper and fold it in half vertically. With the ridge of the crease facing down, load the paper in landscape orientation into the tray. Start the cleaning from the utility menu and it's done. Make it a regular habit to clean your Canon printer, especially if you see any decline in print quality, some difference in the colors, or if it has been sitting unused for quite a long period of time. So of course, nobody wants to see smudges on their artworks, so this will definitely prevent you from wasting your paper and help you save some money. If you have noticed that the printed lines on your artworks are misaligned, it most probably means that we need to perform the print head alignment procedure. This will help you ensure the precise ink deposition and help you achieve the crisp and clean printouts. Therefore, just go into your utility and choose the print head alignment option in the test print section. To do that, we would also need to load the A4 plain paper sheet into the tray and click Align Print Head. The procedure will be performed automatically, and in case the print results are still unsatisfactory after this, you can also carry out the manual head alignment. This option is available in the Custom Settings panel. Let's look at some other settings which will help you maximize your print quality. If you have ever faced the issue of having some ink blots on your paper, you should try to go into the custom settings and tick the box next to prevent paper abrasion. This will slow down the speed of your printing, which will let your printer basically handle the paper more carefully. This setting really helped me when dealing with printing on bigger formats, for example A3 format or some non-standard paper types, such as for example envelopes. Alrighty, so the next thing I want to cover is paper. Choosing the right paper is crucial for achieving the excellent print quality. Make sure to use high quality papers which are designed specifically for inkjet printers, which will ensure the optimal ink absorption and vibrant colors. Remember that artworks printed on matte paper will always be a bit less vibrant than glossy artworks, since matte paper has a rougher surface texture as compared to glossy, which is basically smooth and reflective. The rough surface of matte paper diffuses light, so it results in less intense reflection and basically reduces color saturation. Another thing to pay attention to is the curling of the edges of your paper. If you load this type of paper into your printer, the surface of your artwork will most definitely end up being smudged. To prevent that from happening, simply roll up the paper in the opposite direction or press the paper until it is totally flat. The last point I would definitely recommend is checking the print settings. As mentioned in my previous videos and in the comment section, I'm not playing around much with the color saturation or brightness on the, let's say, printer level, but rather I'm trying to adjust that when creating the artwork. But if you're not happy with your print results, you can always access the printer settings menu and ensure that the print quality, the paper type, and the color settings are adjusted to suit your needs. Feel free to experiment with the brightness, intensity, and the contrast. All of these steps will allow you to unlock the full potential of your Canon PIXMA printer and basically create the professional and great looking prints from the comfort of your home. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more tips on getting the most out of your printing and crafting experience. Thanks a lot once again for watching and see you next time. Bye!